So I recently ran a poll on my YouTube channel asking my audience one of the biggest reasons why they don't start a YouTube channel, and I found some of the responses to be quite astonishing. And take a look at this. Majority of people here don't know what niche to start in, and that's the biggest thing that holds them back. So that's what I want to talk about today. I want to show you 7 of the best niches that you can use to start a YouTube channel, but I want to do this as well. I want to show you how you can do this without being on camera, because the second biggest response was that a lot of people don't want to be on camera. So it's exactly what I'm going to show you today. I'll show you 7 niches that you can start on YouTube today without having to be on camera. And if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, guys, I invite you to go down the bottom, the description of this video. I've got an entire resources section over here that you can check out. Take a look at this. These are all different videos that are going to help you start and grow a brand new YouTube channel. So make sure you check that out, guys. They're absolutely free. They're just my videos. And at the end of this video, I'll give you a tip on how you can grow and scale on YouTube even quicker. Plus, on this video, I'll show you where you can do your thumbnails, how you can get videos created, etc. So be sure to subscribe to the Smart Video Tactics channel, as I'll be posting videos every single week. And on top of that, at the end of this week, I'll be reviewing someone's YouTube channel where I'll go in depth and have a look to help you grow on YouTube. So make sure you go down the bottom and comment. Let me know if you want me to review your channel. So the first YouTube niche idea that I want to show you that you can start where you can potentially make a lot of money is in the crafts niche. I mean, take a look at this channel over here. This is called 5-Minute Crafts. And this channel over here is built on a whole range of different types of nifty little ideas about crafts. Take a look at this. 24 kitchen hacks to save you time and money. Like, these aren't the world's, most difficult subjects to come up with, and you can literally come over here, take a look at this channel over here, have a look at what they're doing. I'm also going to show you how they're creating their thumbnails, where they're potentially getting some of the stock footage from as well. So make sure you keep watching. But if you have a look at this, guys, these videos aren't too difficult to create. And the best thing about this type of channel is no one is on camera, and you can quite literally use your mobile phone to record your voice as well. And a lot of this stuff can actually be recorded on your mobile phone as well. Believe it or not, your mobile phone has some really good resolution that you could film a lot of this stuff and get a channel like this up and running. If you take a look at this channel on a site called socialblade.com, take a look at this. This channel started at the end of 2016, and they do post a lot of videos. And when you scroll down here, they're making an astronomical amount of money for somebody that's never been on camera, and for somebody that started a specific YouTube niche idea that has a broad variety of different types of videos that they can make. And they're making an astronomical amount of money, guys. If you take a look at this, they're making anything from a couple of $1,000s a day all the way up to $40,000, and they're getting over 200 million video views every single month. That is an astronomical amount. Now, this is going to take you time. There is no doubt about it. However, once you get your 4,000 watch hours and your 1,000 subscribers, you are a monetized channel. You can start running ads on this, and you can start making a lot of money. You can quite simply just come over to this channel, guys, and start copying a lot of the video ideas that they have, add your own spin to it, add your own flavor to it, and you can definitely start to get views on the back of these types of channels. The second YouTube niche idea that you can start to make money on YouTube is in the meditation niche, okay, guys, or the motivation niche, okay? I specifically chose this channel over here because this guy over here, Michael Seeley, hasn't posted a ton of videos. However, his videos do run for some time. If you take a look at this, some of them run from anything from about half an hour, 20 minutes, all the way up to an hour and 20 and 2 hours. Now, he gets a lot of his stock footage, okay? There's no one on camera over here. It's purely a meditation type channel with calming and soothing music that you can get from the YouTube audio library, or you can go and get free stock video and free stock audio on different types of YouTube channels as well. And what he does is he quite simply comes over to a site like this over here called pexels.com. And if you come over here and type in something like rainforest, okay, what you can do is you can use a lot of these different types of videos that you're going to get on here, okay? You can compile all these together using different types of video editing software. A free editing video software that you can use is like this one over here called openshot.org. This will allow you to compile all these different elements. When you get this from pexels.com or pexabay.com, you can put all this together, get your audio from the audio library or different YouTube channels where you can get free audio, and he can put all this together, okay, guys? And when you take a look at his channel on Social Blade, he's also making some really good money. So if we scroll down here, take a look at this, okay? His channel was created in 2011. He's only got 163 uploads, and when you have a look at this, he's making anything from $1,500 a month all the way up to $23,000. If you cut that down the middle, you're probably looking at about $8,000 to $12,000, okay, that he's making every single month, but he's not posting a lot of videos, and he'd be definitely making a couple of $100 every single day. Not bad for somebody who's not on camera and does not need to literally even use their own voice. It's just soothing sounds. The third profitable YouTube niche idea that you can go into to make some really good money on YouTube, guys, without being on camera is like a top 10 type video, top 5 video, anything along those lines, because you can literally go on Google and you can find a whole range of different types of content on there about top 5 anything, okay? When you take a look at this channel over here, it's got 678,000 subscribers. They're literally posting a video a couple of times a week and they're getting a ton of views, okay? And when you scroll down here, you can get a lot of inspiration from these types of channels and you can start your own channel. Now, you can do anything, guys. You can compare top 5, top 10, anything, phones, gadgets, sports, games. Like, there's so much on here that you can literally start. And again, all these thumbnails are very easy to create, which I'm going to show you in a second where you can do that. And the videos aren't that long to create. And a lot of this footage is stock footage that a lot of people actually get from Creative Commons videos as well, or they'll go find them on stuff like Twitter and Instagram, and then they'll put a description inside the video saying where they got that content from, or ask the originator of that video if they can use that content, okay? A lot of this content isn't even made by the creator of this video. And when you come over here and take a look at this channel on Social Blade and you scroll down, again, another channel, it's been around for a little while, but look at this, it's only had 276 videos posted on its channel. And when you come down here, another channel that's getting almost 4 million views every single month. That is an astronomical amount of you guys, and again, making anything up to $10,000 every single month for something, a YouTube niche where they're not on camera, and a lot of the time they're not even creating those videos themselves. So a fantastic idea. The next profitable YouTube niche idea that you can start on YouTube, guys, without being on camera is in the unboxing type of channel, okay? Now, a lot of you are going to say, Alan, I don't have this equipment, or people aren't just going to send me through free stuff and I don't want to buy it. And I completely understand that. There's a number of ways that you can do this, guys. You can quite simply go and review a lot of this stuff on Amazon and different types of sites as well. You can go directly to the product owners and just discuss it like a review type channel. But once your channel grows and you get it to this stage, you can definitely go and get this stuff. Once your channel grows to a certain level, all you need to do is email them. Once you have, even 10 to 20,000 subscribers, you'd be surprised with the amount of people that will gladly send you an item. And sometimes if they want it returned, that's fine, but at least it allows you to grow your YouTube channel. You don't need to be on camera, and all you need to do is just talk about that particular item. And this channel, guys, take a look at this. It literally gets millions of views. These types of channels are huge. I mean, he posted a video 19 hours ago and he's had 330,000 views on this channel, okay? Which leads me on to the next profitable YouTube niche idea, and that is literally doing reviews on a YouTube channel. Now, you can review anything. You can review products. You can also review services. You can review software. And one fantastic, YouTube niche idea is to do things like, for example, like reviewing hosting type of service. Let me show you. So for example, if for those of you that know what HostGator is, it's a service that people need to run their websites. And every time somebody purchases it through your affiliate link, you're going to get a reoccurring commission. It's a fantastic way to make money online and to make money on YouTube. So you look at all these people over here and they're doing these different types of reviews and they build up their channels through these different reviews. The best thing about these types of channels is not only do you not need to be on camera, you only need to use your voice, but you can quite simply come over to these different types of software services, and all you need to do is use a site where you can film this, like openshot.org, like I showed you a few seconds ago, and quite simply come down here, talk about this site, and every single person that purchases through the link that you have in your description, take a look at the amount of money that you can make. If you sell 21 of these, you can earn anything up to $2,600 every single month. Not a bad YouTube niche idea, okay, guys? And when you come over here, you can do, for example, HostGator versus Bluehost. Or if you come over here, if I just remove this, you can take a look at this. You've got so many different, channel ideas that you have for this, or different types of content ideas for these different types of review channels. And you can get started pretty much straight away. You don't need to have, fancy editing equipment or fancy audio equipment to get started with this YouTube niche idea. You literally come over here, get this free software, get started, go in here, have a look at what tags they're using by using a service called vidIQ. I'll show you exactly what that is now. So if you come over to Google, what you can do is just type in vidIQ. I literally have a link in my description, and you can sign up to this, which is going to show you what tags they're using in their videos, which will ultimately help you eventually rank your videos as well. So a fantastic, profitable YouTube niche idea that you can start pretty much after watching this video. Now, the next channel that I want to show you guys is if you want to start different types of tutorials. Now, I've picked cooking because I found this channel over here. It's a fantastic channel. It's called So Yummy. It's got a lot of subscribers, okay, guys. Now, this is a fantastic channel. I'll show you how they're making their thumbnails in a second. And when you come down here, you can see that these videos literally run anything from 5 minutes to 10 minutes. And all she does is speed up the cooking process of anything that she's cooking on any given day, and she gets a ton of views as well. When you come over here, take a look at this. 2 days ago, she posted a video. She got 342,000 views, okay? And if you scroll down on multiple different videos, okay, you're gonna see that she gets millions of views, okay? And these videos aren't that difficult to create. Again, you can quite simply use your mobile phone. A lot of the cameras on your mobile phone these days will do the job when you first get started. All you need to do is film over the top, use your hands. It's a fantastic way to get started. You can do this with woodworking tutorials. You can do it with cooking tutorials. You can do it with different types of things that you create. Think outside the square, whatever your passion is. And when you come over to Social Blade over here, you're going to find that this channel over here, again, it's a channel that was created in 2016, end of 2016. We're in 2020 now, so it's been running for 4 years, guys, but take a look at this. I mean, she's making anything from $20,000 to $300,000 every single month. I mean, for creating cooking videos, not a bad way to earn some money on YouTube. And take a look at this, from $1,000 all the way up to $10,000 every single day, and she gets an astronomical amount of views, anything up to 68 million views every single month. Now, I want to show you a couple of sites that you can go to create these different types of thumbnails. The first site that you can go to is canva.com. Now, this is a fantastic site that you can use absolutely for free to create awesome looking thumbnails. This is a site that I used when I first started. All you need to do is come over here, click on to create a design. When you click on custom dimensions, you want to use 1920 by 1080, okay, because that is the design template that you need for YouTube. And another site that you can use, okay, to create awesome looking thumbnails absolutely for free is this one over here called pickmaker.com, okay? Absolutely free as well, guys. All you need to do is come over here, sign up using your Gmail account, and when you scroll down here, you're going to get all these templates that are going to help you get started so that you can pick a niche to start making money on YouTube and you can hit the ground running, okay? So I wanted to give you these few bonus tips that you can use with these different YouTube niche ideas. Now, the next profitable YouTube niche idea that you can start on YouTube, guys, is in the health niche. Now, I've started a channel in this that's slowly growing, but I'm getting inspiration from sites like Body Hub over here, which is a fantastic site, got 758,000 subscribers. And I'm also getting inspiration from another channel over here called Bestie, okay? So when you take a look at these different channels over here, they're making an astronomical amount of money, okay? And the best part about this is they're using a software called Vidnami to create their videos, which is exactly what I'm doing. There is a monthly subscription, okay? But with this software over here, it literally does all the work for you. You don't need to be on camera. You don't even need to use your own voice if you don't want to have any type of audio on there. You can use your own voice and record it. You don't need a fancy microphone. You can just use the audio that it allows you to record off your computer. It's a fantastic way to get started. Again, you can use Canva, you can use PicMaker to create these awesome looking thumbnails, and the health niche, guys, pays some really good money on YouTube. It's one of the best YouTube niche ideas that you can start, and you can come over to channels like this, literally get a ton of inspiration, create it in your own way, and you can start to make some really good money on YouTube, okay? And when you come over here, guys, and you take a look at Bestie, another massive channel that's doing exactly that. It's been around for a very long time. And when you take a look at this channel over here, guys, you're gonna see that this channel on Social Blade is making anything from $5,000 a month all the way up to 74,000. Now with Social Blade, guys, they use a wide range, but a lot of the time you're gonna find that even this range over here is not enough to cover what this person makes. I mean, they could be making a lot more than $74,000 a month, an astronomical way to make a living creating super simple videos, okay? Now, if you guys are looking to start a YouTube channel and you need some help, you don't know what niche to do, you don't know how to get started, you don't know, how to look at the analytics and what's the best way to get started. Well, myself, I have a channel called smartvideotactics that has over 100,000 subscribers, and a friend of mine, Greg, has a channel called Caffeinated Blogger that also has over 100,000 subscribers. And together, guys, what we've done is we've gone and created a YouTube training and mentoring course. All you need to do is go down the bottom, and in the description of this video over here, if you click onto that, guys, and you decide to sign up with us, what you're going to get is a fantastic course that's well within, everybody's budget, because we don't want to, charge an arm and a leg. What we want to do is try and help you on your YouTube journey, show you exactly how to create super simple videos. We're going to show you what niche, how to choose a niche, how to get started, how to rank your videos, how to create your content, how to make money on YouTube, grow your YouTube channel by looking at your analytics. This is exactly what we've done for a very long time, okay? And especially how to get your first 1,000 subscribers, guys, and ultimately, monetize your YouTube channel, guys. This is created for the complete beginner and somebody that already has a channel that's looking to get to that next level. So go down the bottom, click onto the description of that video. On top of that, guys, you'll have full access to us via our private, Facebook group, where you can ask us as many questions as you want, and other creators that have signed up to this course that are going to help you grow your YouTube channel. So if you want a helping hand, go down the bottom, click onto the link in our description, guys, and we'll work with you every step of the way to try and help you grow your YouTube channel. So that was my video today, guys, on the best YouTube niche ideas for you to start. If you're looking to start a YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my up and coming videos, and make sure you watch this video over here of another fantastic way that you can make money on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Alan from Smart Video Tactics. Until next time, you take care of yourself, and goodbye.